Srimanta Sankaradeva was a pioneer in the entire world in several aspects in the context of his plays. He used his plays as a medium of conveying his message. In this respect, he was a leading light for the 20th century playwright Bertolt Brecht. Bertolt Brecht wrote his plays to convey his leftist and anti-fascist messages. Much before him, Sankaradeva used his plays in order to convey his message. In the case of religious message also, Sankaradeva was a pioneer. The religious play of Valentine was enacted in the Mansion stage of Paris only in 1547, while Sankaradeva had enacted Shinajatra in 1468 AD itself. Another pioneering work by Sankaradeva was the introduction of elevated stage. He constructed a 7-layer earthen stage for his maiden play Shinajatra, which was the first elevated stage in the entire world. It was much after him that the proscenium came into being in 1650. So he was a pioneer in the entire world. The world was lagging behind by at least 1 century. The Ankiya plays became a path breaker in the international arena in the respect of drop scene also, which was used by Sankaradeva in his Shinajatra in 1468. Thus, Sankaradeva brought about many innovations, many new techniques in his plays. In the context of language also, Sankaradeva was a great experimentalist. Before him, the Sanskrit playwright used chaste languages. The refined language used by the elite people, but Sankaradeva used the colloquial language used by the mass people. The Brajavali language is actually a colloquial form of Assamese language which had much affinity with the language spoken by people in the northern India. That was why the Ankiya plays became popular almost all over northern India. In fact, the modern Hindi language emanated from the language of Ankiya play. It has been said by noted scholar Kapila Bachchan. Sankaradevas Ankiya play was the breeding ground of prose. The prose of Ankiya plays happened to be the first prose writing in Assamese language. Thus, Sankaradeva was a pioneer in so many areas in Assam, in India, and the entire world through his Ankiya plays. We will come again with more explanations, more analysis in future.